the whalers were interested in. It's the oil that is just a really high quality oil for burning. Below the spermaceti sac is another sac which contains a waxier oil, and that sac is partitioned with vertical sheets of connective tissue. And the vertical partitions in the sac that's known as the junk, the partitions of connective tissue, we think are involved in dissipating the energy that's associated with a collision between two whales.
This method of dissipating energy has also been employed by humans.
One analogy that we think may be relevant are the crash barrels that are often placed below overpasses on freeways, a series of 100-gallon drums that are in a position to, if a car runs into them, the energy of that crash is going to be dissipated in the explosion of the contents out of the barrels.
Carrier's hypothesis is modeled in the computer.
With just some simple calculations, a simple mechanical model, using dampeners to represent the shock absorption that would occur